Michael Burry, who you probably know from The Big Short, is now calling AI a bubble. A recent filing shows that at the end of September, he was betting against two of the biggest AI winners, NVIDIA and Palantir. And it's gotten some attention.
As far as I can tell, the two companies he's shorting are the ones making all the money, which is super weird. Like, the idea that chips and ontology is what you want to short is bat crazy.
Even after NVIDIA's massive earnings beat, Burry isn't budging. So is Burry's call right? Here's an exclusive look at the deep research behind his call, done by his colleague Phil Clifton. Clifton says even though everyone is using generative AI now, think ChatGPT, the actual money coming in isn't that much. OpenAI is expected to bring in a little over $20 billion in revenue this year. That sounds like a lot, but not when you compare it to what's being spent. One estimate shows big tech companies have quadrupled their investment to nearly $400 billion a year to build out AI. As Clifton puts it, just because the technology is good for society or revolutionizes the world doesn't mean that it's a good business proposition. And Scion sees a major parallel to the telecom boom in the early 2000s. Back then, companies poured a lot of money into fiber optic cables, way more than what demand ultimately justified. Clifton argues big tech is doing the same thing today with AI infrastructure, spending massive sums before there's real proof that revenue will catch up. Burry recently deregistered his hedge fund with regulators, so he's no longer required to disclose his positions, but we'll be waiting to see what he does next.